Now we're going to bring it all together with walkthrough 2 and exercise 2. We're going to style all of the selectors that we created here so that we can lead up to building or designing our final website, which looks like this. So the first thing that we're going to do, if you look at and preview our current website, the background is red, which makes sense. We actually want our background to be this bluish color. And how we can get that exact color is we right click, click inspect, click on body, in this case is already selected, and we can just copy and paste the hex value for this blue color and hit Command S to save, then our file save, and see immediately our background color is now blue. One step closer to our final website, which is here. The next thing we want to do is we notice we have a font here. In this case we're using Roboto, but we want a clean font. We'll talk about Roboto and Google Fonts later and fonts that are stored on the cloud. But for right now we're going to use Arial, which is a font that's on every computer. And say for example you want to change your font with CSS but did not know how to do that. Well, all you would need to Google is the CSS font properties, and we'll click here, and right away we see font family and the name of the font, the value here. So in our case we want the font family to be Arial. We're going to refresh your page. Done. The next item we're going to style is our unordered list. Notice there's these little dots here next to them. We want to remove that. And again, we can do unordered or ul list style properties. And if we go to W3 Schools, it's a great resource. It tells us that if we want to hide that little circle and remove the default circles, we can use the list style type none. And so in our case, we're just going to do list style none. Put a little semicolon, file, save, reload our page, and it disappears.